Team Fullest, this is your girl Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Cake of my canal. So in today's video, I'm going to test out this microphone. I picked this microphone up from AliExpress. So this microphone was under the 10 euros, so it was really affordable. It's not the best quality when it comes to microphone because I've used this microphone in several of my videos, and sometimes it's a little bit shaky. There are sometimes where you have a little bit shaky on the background, but at the same time I feel like it's much more better using the external microphone than using the microphone directly from the camera. Sometimes when the kids are at home and they are playing around, they are making their own thing noise, I prefer to use this microphone and also make it clear to them like I'm filming. Can you guys just give me like 5 minutes to just film my video, and then you guys can continue whatever you're doing. Sometimes as a mom it's a little bit difficult, so I like to use this microphone also, but there are some occasions where the microphone will also be very shaky, and I really do not like that. But like I said, it's not the best quality. It's very affordable microphone. It's like 10 under the 10 euros. So yeah, you cannot have a very high expectations when it comes to something that is very cheap, compared to other microphones out there in the market. They're really expensive, so of course when you get them, you're expecting a very good quality. I have also the Blue Yeti microphone. I use that one to do some of my voiceovers, and trust me, the quality of that is very different. I love the quality of the Blue Yeti microphone is much more better because that one you can actually set it. You can set it on which noise it's supposed to pick. So if I'm like sitting in front of the microphone, I have a way that I will set it. It will only pick the sound that is coming from this side. All the noise that's going to be around, it doesn't really pick it. But that microphone is expensive. It was like around the 200 plus. So of course you're expecting good quality than something that is just underneath the 10 euros, like around 6 euros or something. So you're not expecting much, but at the same time it's something very affordable, for beginner friendly. It's something I really like. So this is what I sound like right now with just the camera, the microphone from the camera, with no external microphone. This is how I sound. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to switch up. I'm going to connect this microphone to the camera so you guys can see the difference, so you guys can actually decide if you want to go and get something like this, or you just want to continue using the microphone on the camera, or you just want to get an external microphone, or maybe you guys will be like, you know what, I prefer to just upgrade and get something more solid. So yeah, this is it. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to connect this to my phone, and let's just do let's just have some conversation, and let you guys decide which quality is much more better. It's me having the microphone. So let me remove it from my clothes and just hold it. So this is what I sound like with the microphone. I will let you guys be the judge and tell me which quality is much more better. For me, I feel like there is a slight different. Like if you hold the microphone like this, you might get the best quality. But sometimes I'm filming videos and I'm doing other things. I'm kind of like moving around, or I have to hold objects with my hand, and I will fix the microphone on my clothes. So it kind of like that. When the microphone is when I pin it on my clothes and it's like I'm moving around, it kind of pick that noisy sound, which I really do not like. But when I hold it like this and just talking and just stand in one place, or just sit down in one place, it doesn't really pick up that noisy sound, like that shaky sound. But when you pin it to your clothes, and maybe you are trying to showcase a product and it's on your clothes, you're moving like this, it kind of pick that shaky sound, and which I do not like. But if you're somebody who is like filming videos and you're just sitting down and you're holding the microphone like this, I feel like it's much more better than someone who will pin it on their clothes and then moving around, or trying to showcase other things, you will have that shaky, noisy sound, which I really do not like. But so far, it's actually a good, affordable microphone. I really, really like it. For a beginner, it's perfect, actually. It's a perfect beginner friendly microphone. Hold it like this. I have no problem with it. The quality, the sound is much more better. I like the quality and the sound much more better than just using the microphone on the camera on its own. But if I am moving around trying to showcase or try to do other stuff, then I have this shaky noise, which I don't like. So yeah, this is it. This is what I sound like with the microphone. And you guys have already heard me how I sound like without the microphone. So this is just my own quick review, since you all want to see the difference with the microphone, with the microphone and without the microphone. I will let you guys be the judge, because we all want different things. So I don't know the quality that I'm looking for is that's the same quality that you guys are looking for. So I will let you guys be the judge. So, but this is how I sound like. This is how I sound like with the microphone. Team Fullest. This is a girl Amy. Welcome back to my channel. I'm just trying to like show you guys what I sound like. And Team Fullest, thank you guys so much for your love and support. I really, really appreciate it. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comment box. All the information you guys need will be in the description box as well. I'll try and leave this microphone, the link for you guys in the description box as well. Check it out. I'll try my best also to pin it for you guys in the comment box. Heel erg bedankt voor je liefde en ondersteuning. Heb je vragen? Laat me weten in de commentbox. Alle informatie die je nodig hebt, staat in de beschrijvingsbox. Ik zou ook deze product in de beschrijvingsbox zetten. Ik zou ook voor jullie ook in de commentbox zetten. Team Fullest, thank you guys so much, and I'll see you all on my next video. Peace out. Bye.